When it comes to auto insurance coverage, what is the appropriate coverage you need? What if you're seriously injured by a minimally insured motorist? Well, this next segment has been sponsored by Holland Injury Law. And joining me now are personal injury lawyers. We have Bill Holland as well as Allison Dunavant. Guys, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Thank you, Chelsea.
Of course. And this is so important because so many people can find themselves in a situation where they're fully covered and, well, the person that hit them or got an accident with them might not be insured or underinsured. What does auto insurance coverage mean from an attorney's perspective?
Thanks, Chelsea. Glad to be here. First of all, it's very important to have the right kind of coverage for your stage in life. So you want to have underinsured coverage, med pay coverage, and sufficient limits to protect you in case, God forbid, you cause an accident. Or if someone else caused an accident and they don't have enough coverage, you want to have a big pile of underinsured coverage to cover yourself in case someone hits you is just not properly insured.
Well, what do you guys think about insurance and coverage, right?
We spend a lot of our time looking at insurance policies. People think we go to court all the time, which we do, and that we talk to clients and doctors and everything else. We spend a lot of time making sure that we can find every available coverage for our client's recovery.
How important? I mean, how important is? I know it is complicated. I mean, how important is that coverage when it comes to you guys preparing, getting ready to go to court, right?
Right. We may have to sue the insurance company, either our client's company or the other company or the other, driver. So it just comes into play before you file a case. We may sell the case in claims. We got to make sure we have all the insurance coverage available, including excess umbrella coverage. So a lot of our clients come in and they aren't aware what coverage they have, and believe it or not, their own carrier may not tell them what coverage may apply to their accidents. It's very important to call a good personal injury lawyer that can find out what coverage is going to apply to your case.
Wow. Allison, I mean, what is it like just knowing that if somebody gets into an accident and they call you guys at Holland Injury, what is that process like? Walk me through it.
Oh, that process for us, it's very automated. We have a lot of good staff. We have an intake specialist that'll immediately take your call. We're there when you call, immediately a person on the phone, and they're able to walk you through kind of what next steps are. Then you'll immediately get in touch with an attorney, and the process is pretty simplified from there because we take a lot of the
stress out of it,
stress,
right?
Yep, that's our role.
It's a stressful situation when you find yourself in an accident. And Bill, you've been doing this for a long time, 30 years in the game. You've learned a lot about insurance. You've learned a lot about coverage. You've learned a lot about serving your clients that come to you. I mean, what does that mean to you and knowing that you're doing it right here in St. Louis?
Well, it's nice to have clients you do a good job for and they care about you and your firm and refer us other clients because they come in and they're in bad shape sometimes, or they're in the hospital, or they've lost a loved one. And at the end of the case, maybe it's 3 months later or 6 months later or a year later, they have a good result for what they have. And they thank us, and occasionally they hug us. So
we love a good hug, right? That means you've done a good job.
Insurance defense, he's complain about the bill from State Farm, but now when we help a client out, at the end we get a little hug, which is nice.
That is pretty amazing. When people at home, they're watching, they might want to have you guys, on a call if they do find themselves in a situation, or if they may be going through that right now. How can they get in touch with you all?
314-888-7888 or STL Injury Lawyer.
And we'll also make sure you have access to everything on their website. Again, there's their Facebook handle, their Instagram handle, their X. You can pick up the phone and give them a call. And Bill, before I let you go, a little birdie told me that you went to Mizzou.
M-I-Z. Z-O-U. Give me some of that.
Thank you so much for being here.
All right. Thanks, Chelsea.
Allison, thank you. And St. Louis will make sure you have access on how you can contact Holland Injury Law by visiting them on our website, studiostl.tv. All of their contact information, social media, everything that you need is right there on your screen and will be on our website right after the show.
Just call us.